But before we get into that conversation, I have some announcements to go through. Otherwise, the team is going to absolutely kill me. All right. So first and foremost, two things. The early bird pricing for Prove It tickets and the Black Friday sale, those are both being extended for an extra week. So they're being extended to next Wednesday, December 10th. Here's why. We received all these emails from people saying, "Hey, we want to do the 50% off renewal on Mastermind or whatever, but because of the holiday, I can't get approval from my employer yet. Could you just give us an extra code?" And rather than that, we were just like, let's just extend the Black Friday sale for one extra week. So what that is everything at IIoT.university is 50% off for the Black Friday sale. So it's if you're a member of Mastermind, you can early renew under the 50% off. Basically, 2025 has been a record-breaking year for IIoT.university and 4.0 solutions, and this is our way of basically paying it back to the community. This is how we give back to the community. Once we've generated enough money so we can pay our bills, we're trying to figure out a way to give it back to the community, and that's what this Black Friday sale is. Okay. Number two, Prove It ticket sales. You can still get your early bird pricing for Prove It ticket sales, and that will be extended also an extra week to next Wednesday. Same reason. Prove It 2026. Reminder, February 16th to the 20th, Hyatt Regency Reunion Tower in Dallas. All of vendor spots have been taken for months. We have more than 20-something vendors just sitting on the wait list. And it looks like where we stand right now, this is crazy. Our goal is 67% end users. And our current number of end users, so the ticket sales, so these are non-vendor tickets. These are the actual bulk ticket sales, is 82% end users. So 82% of the tickets are manufacturers, which, by the way, is unheard of. You go to conferences, it is like 2/3 salespeople. It's not people who work in manufacturing. So that's a huge testament to how Prove It has really sort of revolutionized how it is conferences should be going on. Real quick, I'm going to be shooting a 3-part series. Actually, we're releasing the virtual factories today. So we have the 3 virtual factories there's a single site virtual factory, which is a glass manufacturer. They actually manufacture glass jars for the food and beverage industry. That's a single site virtual factory. Then we have a multi-site virtual factory, which I think is 3 plants, and it's a bottling facility. Okay. And then the last is a life sciences in the therapeutic liquids, single site, bioreactor focused in therapeutic liquids. All of the vendors will have an opportunity. They get to pick which of the virtual factories they want to use for their presentation. So, and we actually have a big website going up where all of the end users, everybody will be able to go to the website at virtualfactory.online, and they're going to be able to navigate the virtual factories now. So you're going to be able to prepare yourself on the virtual factories before the show in February. Okay. One last thing, we've finalized all the speakers. We're doing a bunch of VIP events, 3 of them. One of them is a meal in Reunion Tower, I think on Tuesday night, or maybe it's Monday night. Then everybody's going to Medieval Times. We're literally busing everyone over to Medieval Times. We'll have 1,500 people at Medieval Times for dinner and a show. We're doing another VIP event the next night. I just cannot remember where that one is. Travis is going to kill me for not remembering that event. It's going to be an incredible, incredible week. The conference itself is going to run Monday through Thursday, and then Friday is an extra day for basically like one-on-one table talks with the vendors. All right, last one, advanced MCP and agent-to-agent workshop. So we're actually going to talk about AI today with ZJ. We're doing the 3rd workshop in our 3-part MCP workshop series. So we did one in July with Aaron Semley. We did one in September. I can't remember who did in September was Rest. And then in December, I'm teaching the agent-to-agent and MCP workshop for advanced strategies. And that is December 16th and 17th. That's also included in the early bird pricing if you want to take that workshop.